Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English language. Today we are going to explore about 20 sentences which are related to being. Okay, and these sentences are very important. You can use it in your daily life. Okay, and this concept is little bit harder to understand. It is difficult to understand, but you can, if you are not able to understand these sentences, then you can just memorize the sentence and use it in your daily life. Okay, it is just as simple as that. Okay, so let's start with the very first sentence. The sentence is हमें भेजा जा रहा है. Okay, हमें भेजा जा रहा है. So for this sentence we will say we are being sent. हमें भेजा जा रहा है. Okay, so in this way I will complete all the sentences. Okay, I will speak one Hindi sentence, then I will translate that sentence into English. Okay, writing on the screen in front of you. Okay, so if you want to improve your English, you can do the same. Okay, and this will help you a lot. Trust it. Trust the process and just keep doing it. राहुल स्वार्थी हो रहा है. राहुल स्वार्थी हो रहा है. Rahul is being selfish. Rahul is being selfish. Okay, Rahul is being selfish. Rahul स्वार्थी हो रहा है. Okay, मुझे बताया गया था. मुझे बताया गया था. I had been told. I had been. I had been told. I had been told. मुझे बताया गया था. I had been told. Okay, वो मेरे होने वाले पति हैं. वो मेरे होने वाले पति हैं. He is my to be husband. He is my to be husband. Okay, वो मेरे होने वाले पति to be husband, होने वाली wife to be wife. Okay, now let's translate the another one. वो घर पर होना चाहिए. वो घर पर होना चाहिए. He should be at home. He should be at home. He should be at home. वो घर पर होना चाहिए. He should be at home. Okay, रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था. रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था. being रोहित was being beaten. रोहित was being beaten. रोहित was being beaten. हमें खुश किया जा रहा है. हमें खुश किया जा रहा है. we we are we are we are being made happy. We are being made happy. We are being made happy. Okay, हमें खुश किया जा रहा. Being made happy. आप थके हुए लगते हैं, आप थके हुए लगते हैं। You seem to be, you seem to be tired. You seem to be tired. You seem to be tired. Okay. स्वार्थी मत बनिए, स्वार्थी मत बनिए। Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Okay. स्वार्थी मत बनिए। ये काम किया जाना है, ये काम किया जाना है। This work is to be done. 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 ये काम किया जाना है। This work is to be done. वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है, वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है। He has never, he has never been in Delhi. He has never been in Delhi. Or we can say he has never lived in Delhi. He has never lived in Delhi. He has never lived in Delhi. Okay. He has never been in Delhi. Okay. वो आपको पूछा जाना चाहिए था, आपको पूछा जाना चाहिए था। You should have been asked. You should, you should have been asked. Okay. You should have been asked. आपको पूछा जाना चाहिए था। उसे मुंबई नहीं भेजा जा सका, उसे मुंबई नहीं भेजा जा सका। He could not, he could not, he could not he could not be sent, he could not be sent to Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. He could not be sent to Mumbai. He could not be sent to Mumbai. Okay, उसे मुंबई नहीं भेजा जा सका। Okay, वो बदल रहा है, वो बदल रहा है। He is being changed, being changed. He is being changed, or we can say he is getting changed. Okay, instead of being we can use getting. He is getting changed. Okay, he is getting changed. मैं थक रहा हूँ, मैं थक रहा हूँ। For this sentence we will say I am being tired, being tired. I'm being tired, or we can say I'm getting tired. I am getting tired. I'm getting tired. I am getting tired. Okay. उसे भेजा जा रहा होगा, उसे भेजा जा रहा होगा। He will be he will be getting he will be getting he will be getting sent. He will be getting sent. Okay. कमरों को साफ किया जाना है. कमरों को साफ किया जाना है. Okay. The rooms, we will say, the rooms are to be cleaned, are to be, the rooms are to be cleaned. The rooms are to be cleaned. Okay. कमरे को साफ किया जा रहा है. कमरे को साफ किया जा रहा है. The the room was, the room was being, the room was being cleaned. Or we can say, if there are so many rooms, then we can say the rooms were, the rooms were being cleaned. Okay. So in this way I have completed all the sentences. Okay. Now let me speak out all the Hindi sentences for you to practice at home by yourself. Okay. So here we go. हमें भेजा जा रहा है. हमें भेजा जा रहा है. राहुल स्वार्थी हो रहा है. राहुल स्वार्थी हो रहा है. मुझे बताया गया था. मुझे बताया गया था. ओके. वो मेरे होने वाले पति हैं. वो मेरी होने वाली वाइफ है. वो घर पर होना चाहिए. वो घर पर होना चाहिए. रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था. रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था. हमें खुश किया जा रहा है. हमें खुश किया जा रहा है. आप थके हुए लगते हैं. आप थके हुए लगते हैं. ओके. स्वार्थी मत बनिए. ये काम किया जाना है. ये काम किया जाना है. वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है. वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है. आपको पूछा जाना चाहिए था. आपको पूछा जाना चाहिए था. उसे मुंबई नहीं भेजा जा सका. उसे मुंबई नहीं भेजा जा सका. वो बदल रहा है. वो बदल रहा है. मैं थक रहा हूं. उसे भेजा जा रहा होगा. उसे भेजा जा रहा होगा. कमरों को साफ किया जाना है. ओके. कमरों को साफ किया जाना है. कमरे को साफ किया जा रहा था. कमरे को साफ किया जा रहा था. ओके. So I spoke all the sentences for you. Now you can practice these sentences by yourself at home. Okay, it will be very easy for you to practice by yourself because I have already recorded all the Hindi sentences. Okay, just play the video. Okay, go to the end of the video and play the video and just try to translate all the Hindi sentences. Okay, and if you are facing difficulty, then you can watch the whole video. Okay, so uh, you will get to know how to translate the particular sentence. Okay, you will get to know about the idea or what is the translation of this particular sentence. Okay, so you can use this method to improve your English. Okay, so if you like this video or if you learn something from this video, you can subscribe this channel. Okay, I have created this a new channel. Okay, you can support me with uh subscribe. Okay, and just keep learning and keep getting better, and don't forget to support me. Okay, it's a new channel. and I will be your companion. Okay. So keep supporting me and keep learning and keep getting better. I will get back to you soon with a new lesson.